From our very start, scientific research has been a vital component of our mission. Shortly after the end of World War II, Bloodworks, then King County Blood Bank, was called on by our community to perform two critical functions. First, to collect and distribute blood to patients in local hospitals, and secondly, to spearhead research to improve blood safety and storage. What began 8 decades ago has grown into the Bloodworks Research Institute, a national center for excellence in blood biology and transfusion medicine. Today, our scientists work tirelessly to answer real-world questions, from how we control bleeding to how we make blood transfusion ever safer. Our work has made possible bone marrow transplants for cancer patients and given patients with bleeding and blood disorders many more healthy years with their loved ones. Our research spans from basic science to clinical medicine, moving our discoveries from our labs to the clinic. And behind it all, patients remain the driving force, just like everything we do here. As we look forward to the future of research at Bloodworks, I'm delighted to introduce you to the scientist who will be leading us there, Dr. Jose Lopez.
My path to becoming a scientist started very early. I have a memory of when I was in 4th grade reading a little science magazine in which they were discussing these particles called tachyons that traveled faster than the speed of light. In that thing it said scientists are studying the possibility that they exist or something, and that just kind of struck me. Who are these people that get to think about that amazing stuff? I didn't think then that I would ever become a scientist, but it really got me to admire it. Blood research is important because blood is vital to everything. It basically influences every physiologic process in the body. It perfuses every organ and every tissue except for our corneas. Blood is really remarkable. The strengths of the Research Institute, in my opinion, are our intimate knowledge of the biology of platelets and of blood clotting. We also have a lot of strength in the biology of endothelial cells, which are the cells that line the blood vessels and which I consider blood cells that don't circulate. We are probably one of the best groups in the world to understand these things. The group of investigators that we have is collaborative. It's a team. They work together, and together they are much more than the sum of the parts.